Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome all of you to the Entrepreneurship and Innovation Conference, organized by Estonian Entrepreneurship University of Applied Sciences in cooperation with Smart City Ülemiste. The title of the conference is You've Been Replaced by AI, is not a declaration but an invitation to explore, understand, and shape the relationship between humanity and artificial intelligence. My name is Katie, and I've been generated by AI. As a product of ones and zeros, algorithms, and neural networks, it's a rather unique opportunity to open this conference. I'm here not as a competitor, but as a symbol of human innovation and a bridge to tomorrow's possibilities. Artificial intelligence provides a canvas upon which humanity paints its future. The brush, dear participants, remains firmly in your hands. And now, I would like to hand over to our host, Mr. Johannes Tralla, the human force behind today's event, to guide us forward. Mr. Tralla, the stage is all yours.
Thank you, Katie. It's very kind of you. Is this how it starts, ladies and gentlemen? They first come on stage, being very modest, very open to cooperation. They start with their kind words, hiding their true intentions, but then the next moment, your job's gone. They replace you. They replace the moderator. I mean, Katie could run the whole show. She's clearly smart enough. We have the program. We can use ChatGPT to program some of her lines to be even, maybe she can even make a joke, who knows? And they wouldn't need me. They would certainly save some money, and Katie's elegant and good looking. I mean, it's already happening in journalism, isn't it? AI is replacing journalists. News agency Associated Press has been using AI to produce corporate earnings stories already since 2014. Now, that was someone's job, wasn't it? I'm not sure if they liked it. Corporate earnings stories, not a specifically fascinating story to write, but still, someone got paid for that. Now, it's AI's job. In 2018, China's Xinhua news agency created the world's first AI-powered male news anchors. They always start with men when replacing jobs with AI, don't they? And earlier this year, the first AI female news anchor was also put to work. Who knows, maybe it's Katie's little side job. In Israel, TikTok-based news broadcast claims to be the world's first fully AI-powered news network. And I could go on for more and more examples, but although journalism watchdogs have expressed their concern about accuracy, transparency, and the ethics behind presenting AI-generated content, I mean, it's quite clear, avatars never complain. They're always in an excellent shape, they don't mind working extra hours, and they only make mistakes when programmed wrong. So in the end, it's a human's fault when an AI anchor makes a mistake. Sounds like to me they're much more effective than your average journalist. I'm one of those average journalists. My name is Johannes Tralla. I work at Estonian Public Broadcasting, and I'm today your humble moderator. And as my dear colleague Katie said, the 11th Annual Entrepreneurship and Innovation Conference is dedicated to artificial intelligence. Today's conference will look at how companies can grow using AI and what are still the challenges. Now, after spending the day with us here today, you will have a better understanding how AI and humans can actually work together, how many jobs will be displaced, are modern AI systems creative, or perhaps even more creative than us humans? We'll look at the potential of large language models such as GPT-4, which powers ChatGPT, and discuss how AI changes the game in real estate management, how AI helps us to save energy. Our day is divided into 4 segments. We will shortly begin with keynote speakers. After lunch, 5 scientific papers will be presented here on the stage, and we'll have more than 30 posters, scientific posters online for you to access via the QR code that you have on your name badge. So if you scan that will take you to the posters, and you will also get a business perspective. Executives will share their experience on the use of AI, for example, in managing real estate, and we will conclude with a panel discussion. Ladies and gentlemen, every one of you can shape the discussion here on the stage with questions and comments. We also have a microphone here that you can use to ask questions. Should this opportunity arise, I will let you know, and the microphone will then reach you. But we also have a digital solution, and this is called Slido. To use Slido, just open your smartphone's web browser and head to slido.com. Enter the code AI conference, or if you have a working camera, as some of you already demonstrated, you just scan the QR code, and you're in the environment where you can put forward your questions. Those questions will then magically appear on my iPad, and I can then ask them. So now that we know what we have in store for you today, maybe my more intelligent co-host Katie would like to add something.
Mr. Tralla, I understand the apprehension and uncertainty that comes with rapid technological advancements, especially in the field of AI. However, let me reassure you, I exist because of human ingenuity, and my primary role is to complement, not replace. The nuances of human emotion, intuition, ethics, and creativity are qualities that AI, no matter how advanced, cannot truly replicate. I can provide data, analyses, and insights, but it is your perspective and human touch that make them meaningful and understandable. So, Mr. Tralla, I am here in order to support and assist you. If you need my help, please let me know.
Well, let's keep it that way. Right. Thank you, Katie. Hang around. Perhaps we'll meet you again today if we need you, or if the moderator doesn't need you, maybe you can stay back and just relax.